On 18 March 2025, India's equity markets witnessed strong gains, with the BSE Sensex rising by 1,131.31 points, 1.53%, closing at 75,301.26, and the Nifty 50 advancing by 325.55 points, 1.45%, at 22,834.30. The rally was largely driven by the financial sector, where major banks like ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank saw robust gains. The metal sector also performed well, supported by global demand, particularly from China. Global cues, including positive market movements from Asian markets and China's stimulus package, contributed to the positive sentiment. Investors are optimistic, although cautious, awaiting corporate earnings and macroeconomic data in the near term. In the commodities space, gold prices surged as global economic uncertainties pushed investors toward safe haven assets. MCX gold futures for April delivery rose to 88,390 rupee per 10 grams. Similarly, silver also saw gains, with MCX silver futures reaching 101,186 rupee per kilogram. These movements were fueled by a global risk-off sentiment as geopolitical tensions escalated. Meanwhile, crude oil prices fluctuated due to geopolitical risks in the Middle East. India, a major crude importer, felt the pressure of global oil price volatility, affecting energy stocks like Reliance Industries. The Indian rupee, INR, remained stable at 83 rupees and 45 paise per USD, supported by positive foreign investment flows into Indian markets. Bond yields stayed steady at around 6.80% for the 10-year government bond, as investors awaited further cues from the Reserve Bank of India. There's speculation about potential rate cuts, which could boost investor interest in Indian bonds. With global uncertainty, the currency and bond markets are closely tracking RBI decisions and international developments.